Hello everyone. Today I am organizing my Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari stores. I am putting my clothing in bags. You can get these at the Dollar General, Family Dollar, or the Dollar Tree. So, for example, I put it in this bag here that I bought from Family Dollar, and I put Urban Mango Dress A3 because I have number 3 on my tote and I have an A on the side. So that's what I'm doing right now, is all of these are going to A3, so that way I don't have trouble looking for the items when they do sell. So these are the bags that I bought from Family Dollar, and these are the big clear bags that I bought from Amazon. They have they're sealable bags, and I have some smaller ones, but these are for the big items. So that's what I'm doing today. I still have that tote down there. I have the tote up here, which is a small one, just like this one here. And then I have all of these clothes to bag, and I need to buy another tote to put all these in there. And then I still have that pink tote on the bottom. So I'm very, very busy today. And I'm also going to do the same thing with the shoes. And I'm going to buy a bin especially for the shoes, because I'm supposed to be getting 2 more boxes of shoes from Delmar. So I'm going to be pretty busy, which is very fun because now I have something to do. And I'm waiting on the technician from the cable company to come and fix the internet in my home. So I hope everyone is having a wonderful day, and I hope that everybody is being, what do you call that word? Oh my goodness. Busy today on a Monday. I forgot the word. Anyways, this is what I'm doing. I'm still in my gown, but I will be taking a bath shortly and getting ready for the day. So this is what I'm doing today. I have this tote over here in my living room. It's already bagged up. I will show you. So those are bagged already. And I even have the label on top of the tote, so that way if I can't see it for some reason, I see that. And I have another label there. I know you can't see it very well, but that's tote D. And then I still have all of this to list. Oh yeah, the word that I was looking for is productive. Try and be productive today if you can. Have a safe and wonderful day. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.